Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its sleek design, impressive camera capabilities, and powerful performance, it's got everyone excited. But is it enough to surpass its competitors? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a stunning 8.4mm compact profile, making it a sleek and stylish addition to Samsung's lineup. But with great design comes great compromise. Will the 5000 mAh battery be enough to satisfy users? The camera setup is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. With a 200-megapixel main sensor, 3x zoom lens, and 5x periscope telephoto lens, it's a photographer's dream. But will it be enough to surpass the competition? Samsung's lack of advancement in battery capacity and charging speed may disappoint some users. With Chinese rivals offering bigger batteries, will Samsung reevaluate its strategy? The Oppo Find X8 Ultra, for example, is rumored to have a bigger battery and slimmer design. While Samsung's decision to stick with a 5000 mAh battery might seem underwhelming, it's essential to consider the broader industry landscape. Chinese rivals like Oppo have been pushing the boundaries of battery capacity, with some flagships boasting up to 6000 mAh. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra, for instance, is rumored to feature a massive 6000 mAh battery, setting a new standard for battery life. As the smartphone industry shifts towards larger battery capacities, Samsung may be forced to reevaluate its strategy. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's sleek 8.4mm compact profile comes at a cost of 5000 mAh battery that, while respectable, may not meet the expectations of power-hungry users. This delicate balance between innovation and practicality is a constant challenge for manufacturers. By prioritizing form factor, Samsung may have compromised on battery life, leaving some customers wondering if the trade-off was worth it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera setup is shaping up to be a powerhouse, with a 200-megapixel main sensor, 3x zoom lens, and 5x periscope telephoto lens. While similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the fourth lens and zoom lens megapixel count remain a mystery. But will it be enough to surpass the competition? The Oppo Find X8 Ultra, rumored to be slimmer and pack a bigger battery, may just take the lead with its dual optical periscope zoom lenses. Will Samsung's camera capabilities be enough to keep up? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we conclude our exploration of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the device's camera capabilities, battery life, and design? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more in-depth tech analysis and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.